Hey everyone, welcome back to your Mediterranean diet headquarters. If you're new here, we've been building a complete lifestyle. Week 1 was your wine foundation. Week 2 showed perfect pairings. Week 3 gave you the 7-day meal plan that's still buzzing in the comments. You crushed those bowls and salads. But here's the reality check. Life happens. The fridge empties. Fresh produce runs out midweek. Kids raid the fruit bowl. You're staring at bare shelves asking, what do I cook now to stay on track? Today, I'm answering that exact question with my actual pantry raid. No grocery store run, no fresh vegetables, no excuses. Just 12 shelf-stable staples that become 3 complete Mediterranean meals in under 20 minutes total. Let me show you exactly what I've got. Extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, canned lentils, brown rice, canned diced tomatoes, canned chicken, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, green olives, raw honey, walnuts, and shaker Parmesan cheese. That's my entire arsenal. These aren't random ingredients. This is strategic Mediterranean stocking. Olive oil is your daily fat. Lentils and chicken deliver protein. Tomatoes and olives bring umami. Umami is one of the 5 basic tastes, alongside sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. It delivers a savory, mouth-watering flavor often described as meaty or brothy. Walnuts add healthy fats and crunch. Every single item pulls double duty. And the best part? You probably have most of these already. This system works whether you're in Florida, New York, or anywhere with a basic grocery store. Plus, I'm giving you the free PDF cheat sheet. All 3 recipes with exact measurements, plus my complete pantry restock list, so you never get stuck again. Link in the description and first comment pinned. Let's dive into meal number 1, 10-minute Italian lentil tomato stew. This tastes like Nonna spent hours in the kitchen. But it's pantry magic. Grab a medium skillet, 2 tablespoons olive oil over medium heat. Open 1 can of lentils, drain them well. Add to the pan. Don't rinse. You want that starchy coating for thickness. Next, 1 full can diced tomatoes, pour in all the juices. That's your sauce base. To generous teaspoons, garlic powder. Fresh garlic can't compete with this convenience. It's 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning. Half cup water, stir everything together. Bring to simmer. Lid optional, exactly 8 minutes. That's it. While it's bubbling, chop 10 olives. I like green ones for this, but black works too. When the timer hits 8 minutes, look at that transformation. The lentils soaked up all those tomato flavors. It's thick, aromatic, restaurant-quality stew. Serve over 1 cup cooked brown rice. Top with your chopped olives for salty pops. Sprinkle shaker Parmesan generously. Nutrition breakdown: 475 calories, 25 grams protein, 12 grams fiber, healthy fats from olive oil. This is dinner that fuels you through evening walks or late-night work sessions. Meal number 2 switches to lunch territory. Mediterranean chicken rice bowl. Perfect for work, gym bag, kids' lunches. 1 can chicken breast. Drained well, no liquid, just meat. 1 cup cooked brown rice. Make a big batch Sunday mornings. Portion into containers. 1/4 cup chopped olives. Tablespoon red wine vinegar. That's your bright Mediterranean temps. Tablespoon olive oil, teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon Italian seasoning. Mix everything in a bowl. Pro tip: crush the chicken slightly with a fork so it absorbs flavors better. Microwave 90 seconds. Top with a tablespoon shaker Parmesan and 5 chopped walnuts for texture contrast. This bowl travels perfectly. High protein keeps you full till dinner. 0 fresh ingredients means it lives in your fridge for days. Easy. 420 calories, 32 grams protein, power food. Meal number 3 handles breakfast when the fridge betrays you. Sweet walnut breakfast rice. Think walnut raisin oatmeal, but infinitely more Mediterranean. Start with 1 cup leftover brown rice. Cold works beautifully. Tablespoon raw honey for natural sweetness. Tablespoon olive oil. Yes, olive oil belongs in breakfast. 1/4 cup raisins. 8 walnuts, roughly chopped. Pinch Italian seasoning. It gives cinnamon warmth without actual cinnamon. Stir together. Microwave 60 seconds or eat cold like rice pudding. The honey softens, walnuts crunch, raisins plump. It tastes like dessert disguised as fuel. It's perfect when bananas go bad and yogurt expires. 380 calories, healthy fats to carry you to lunch. Now look at these 3 plates side by side. Breakfast rice pudding, chicken power bowl, hearty lentil stew. All from the same 12 jars and cans. This is Mediterranean sustainability at work. When hurricanes hit Florida, when holidays wipe out your fridge, when budgets tighten, your pantry becomes your superpower. Oh, no more takeout temptation. No more I'll start Monday excuses. This system scales. Got fresh tomatoes? Add them. Got spinach? Stir it in. But these 12 staples always work. Remember our progression. Week 1, wine foundation. Week 2, perfect pairings. Week 3, structured meal plan. Week 4, this moment, pantry resilience training. You're not just eating healthier, you're building antifragile habits. Grab your free PDF right now, all 3 recipes with precise measurements. Plus, my exact pantry restock list so you never face an empty fridge panic again. Link in description, first comment pinned. Next week, we do the grocery reality check. Exact Publix Florida prices for these staples, so you know your real costs. Hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 meals will you make first? Lentil stew, chicken bowl, breakfast rice. See you next pantry raid. Stay fueled, stay Mediterranean.